Okay guys, this tutorial video is about the completely Outlook mailbox. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how easily we can delete all the deleted items, emails, in single click, within the single click. Okay, from the Outlook deleted items box. It is very easy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Basic Computer Sudin, where I discuss the basic technical knowledge of tips and tricks. Guys, whoever the new in my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Let's begin the video. Okay, this is a delete items box. Okay, here as you see there is no any emails. Okay, let me go to the inbox and let me delete some of the emails from here, or some of the unwanted mails. Let me delete from here, then I will show you how you can delete all deleted items within one click. Let's see, it is came some. Let's take more through the inbox. Let me delete some more unwanted email again. Okay, now it's some. Okay, here is become deleted items. Okay, now how we can delete these all emails within one click. Okay, so in this case it is very easy. Go, let me show you. Go to the left hand side top, you will see there is file options. Okay, just click there and come down. See here you find mailbox cleanup option. Okay, nearby that one there is box cleanup tools. Okay, in the cleanup tools just press there, you will find the options there. Okay, the first one, the second one, see, empty deleted items folder. Empty deleted items folder. Here you need to press and you will find the other notification. Let's confirm. Let me show you. This is inbox, this is deleted items. Okay, again here you see there is too much deleted items, emails. Okay, then it will be gone within one click. Go to the file and clean up tools. See, in the empty deleted items, just press here. See, here you will get one of the notification by the Microsoft Outlook. As you see, Microsoft Outlook give you notifications is everything in the deleted items folder will be permanently deleted. Okay, you want continue, and yes. Okay, while you press this one, see, deleted items box is here empty. How easy? Did you see? This is inbox email and deleted all the deleted items box. This is deleted items. All emails is gone. So this is how we can easily delete all the delete items of Outlook within the one click. Okay guys, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. See you guys in next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.